If you've been scrolling online recently, you've probably seen the bold ads for free Range ParaPurge, a so-called 25-day parasite cleanse that promises to wipe out parasites, improve digestion, boost your energy, and even clear your skin, all while delivering what they call pharmaceutical-grade results. But is it really what it claims to be, or just another overhyped supplement? Free Range ParaPurge is marketed with dramatic testimonials and urgent messaging, showing people supposedly getting instant relief after just a few doses. But when you dig deeper, some red flags start to show up. And that's what makes this review so important. The formula includes ingredients like ivermectin and fenbendazole, which are actually veterinary drugs and not approved for safe human use in this kind of supplement. So the idea of casually taking them as part of a detox is concerning at best and dangerous at worst. Then there's the problem of exaggerated claims. Words like instant parasite kill and doctor-designed formulas are thrown around. Yet no real clinical studies, lab tests, or verifiable medical endorsements back them up, leaving buyers to rely only on flashy marketing. Even worse, there have been multiple complaints from customers about hidden subscription traps, unauthorized charges, missing orders, and difficulties getting refunds, which makes the business side of this product even more questionable. On top of that, reports suggest the product isn't made in the US as claimed, and the actual cost of ingredients is far lower than what's being charged, which raises the question of whether people are simply paying for hype instead of real quality. At the end of the day, free range ParaPurge sits in that gray area. It's not proven effective, it's not fully trustworthy, but it's also not marketed as an outright scam. So whether it's worth your money really depends on how much risk you're willing to take with unregulated supplements.